Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get free mythical epics, so yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is going to be using the teacher membership method, which was originally thought to be gone now, but it is back, so you can get membership, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to make a teacher account. It pretty much just gives you the whole tutorial on how to do that, so I'm not going to show you how to make one. And then after a day or two, the share Prodigy button should pop up. So once you see the share Prodigy button, you're going to want to click on it and it will send you here. So you're going to want to invite a friend with a different email account that you have not yet used for making a Prodigy account. So this is the part where a lot of people don't really understand it anymore because it takes a day or two for the email to send. So once that is done, it's very easy. You're going to want to register the account, or like a second account. You're going to want to make a class on that second teacher account, and then you're going to want to play on that class. You need to answer something like 20 to 30 questions, I'm pretty sure. And then the next day, it will give you the membership. All you have to do is add it to whatever account you want it to be on. And you're going to want to add that to the account that you originally sent the membership, or sent the request from. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We are getting very close to 1,000 subscribers, or 2,000 subscribers, and I have a really big video coming up which you would definitely want to see. So please make sure to like and subscribe. Anyway, bye.